So now we'll start by creating a new project. You can name your sequence. Now we'll first import a black video. Okay, then we'll create a new title. Type in your text. Select the font type. You can change the color. Let's resize it. Now we'll place our title file, that is our text, above your black video which we imported first. Okay, now click on black video, go into effects, video effects, go down, keying and track matic keying. Place it on black video. Now we'll import our video file. Drag the video which you want. Okay, now click on black video, go into effects, select the video, inverse. So as you can see, our video is behind our text. So adjust the video as you wish. For that, click on the video and you can change its position as well as you can scale it. So adjust as you wish. Once it fits right, then go into effects, type crop and drag the crop on your video. Now as you can see, we got to crop this right side because we don't need this. So in the right section you can crop it. Yeah. Once you have completed this, you can repeat the similar procedure for your next letter. So mine is USG, so I'll be doing the same procedure for S and G letters. Okay guys, so I'm done. So I placed the videos and adjusted them. So as you can see, I have placed different videos for each of my letters and you can play with them as you wish. So after you're done with that, if you want a kind of transition, so if you don't want them to appear at a time, you want a kind of transition, so what you can do is to shift a bit to the right side again for this. Okay, so now as you can see, it doesn't appear at a time, it will appear one after other. So that's it. So if you wish, you can add more effects, and once you're done you can render this out. So thank you for watching.